Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy A04S louder. So at the start you have to open the settings, then go to the sounds and slide down to the sound quality and effects. Now just tap on the equalizer, check by yourself which one is the loudest and keep it selected. You can also choose the custom one. And that's it. But if that way is not enough for you, you can also try to download a volume speaker booster app. So there is a name of this app. Now just tap 3 times no thank you and close this window. Now just tap on OK, and how you can see by this little slider you can increase or decrease the boost volume power. If you want to stop the service, tap on this button, of course, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.